Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you go over how to use Adobe After Effects for edits. After Effects is an incredibly powerful software for creating stunning motion graphics and visual effects. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a quick refresher, this easy guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started. We'll cover everything from understanding the interface to bringing your creative visions to life, making your video editing process smoother and more professional. Get ready to unlock your creativity. Let's begin by exploring the After Effects interface. You'll find key panels like the Project panel for your media, the Composition panel for your visual workspace, and the Timeline panel for arranging and animating layers. To start, you'll learn how to import your video clips, images, and audio files. Then, we'll create a new composition, which is essentially your canvas, and set up its dimensions, frame rate, and duration. Understanding these foundational steps is crucial for a smooth editing workflow. Now, let's dive into the heart of animation: keyframes. Keyframes allow you to define changes in properties like position, scale, rotation, and opacity over time, bringing your elements to life. We'll also explore the extensive library of effects and presets that After Effects offers. You'll learn how to apply these effects to your layers and adjust their parameters to achieve unique visual styles. Mastering keyframes and effects will empower you to create dynamic and engaging visual stories. Finally, after all your hard work, it's time to render and export your finished video. After Effects provides several options for rendering your composition, allowing you to choose the best settings for your project. We'll go through the process of selecting your desired output format, such as MP4 or MOV, and optimizing the quality and file size. Understanding these export settings ensures your video looks fantastic and is ready to be shared with your audience across various platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.